Removing complex background in Photoshop, especially around here, is a huge headache. That's why I looked for an alternative and I found one. This app removes background with crazy accuracy. Even the most complicated image looks like they were clicked without any background at all. This is AIRT image matting. This tool has a few big advantages. It runs without internet, so you don't need to upload anything online. That means faster processing if your computer is powerful, and better security because everything stays offline. You can download it on your PC and try it for free. The link is in the description. Now let me show you how it works. First, let's open the app. Then upload your image. On the right side, select your hardware. The better your processor, the faster it works. Below that, you'll see different AI models for different types of background removal. For this image, I'm choosing Alpha Standard V2. I'll turn on High Precision mode and click Start. In a few seconds, the background is removed perfectly. If you click the background option, you can change the background image or color. I'll upload my own background. Then here's the magical part. Just click blur and it instantly adds a realistic background blur. It looks like the original photo was taken with that exact background. Next, there is a mask alpha. If any tiny parts of the old background are still ruining your image, just drag the slider here and there and it disappears. Now I have this bicycle. Removing a background from this kind of image is almost impossible. So let's see if AIRT can do it. I'm selecting the Solid Matte AI model, turning on High Precision, and in the refinement menu, enabling outline emphasize. Then I click Start. And there you go, it's removed. But you can see a few small areas that aren't perfect. Let's fix it manually. On the left bar, go to the eraser icon, adjust the threshold, alpha and hardness. Then change your brush size. Now you can clean the extra part without damaging anything else. Now let's change the background color. And that's done. Now the biggest nightmare in background removal here, but AIRT handles it easily. Select the Alpha as V2 model and click Start. The background is gone, but if you change the color, you'll see a little white glow around the hair. To fix that, just drag the Mask Alpha slider down from these 2 points in the middle, and it's gone perfectly. Now if I change the background color again, every color blends naturally with the hair. Next, I have this product photo. I'll select the Ace Clear V2 and it's done. But if you look closely, there is some redness on the shoe. Just drag the Mask Alpha slider down and it disappears. Crazy clean. Now I'll choose a matching color and turn it into a poster like this, ready to post on your page. Now I have this image and you can see the quality is really bad, pixelated and blurry. AIRT doesn't just remove backgrounds, it actually fixes the image too. So I'm going into the edit section, choosing more detailed GAN V2, setting upscale to 2x and hitting enhance image. And there you go, the image becomes high resolution and blur is gone. Now I'll remove the background. I'm choosing Ace Clear V2, turning on High Precision mode and clicking Start. And that's it, background clean, edges perfect. Now let's change the color, adjust the alpha mask and it's ready. Finally, I have this image with semi-transparent dress. I want a solid clean background. First, I'll remove the background, then choose the green color background. And it looks perfect now. To export, go to export setting, pick your format and quality, set your output path, and click single export. If you want to remove backgrounds from hundreds of photos at once, just use batch export. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. If you want to try the tool for free, check the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.